Hey y'all, it's Sarah and I'm back with another video. I have you guys in our master bathroom right now and I am going to show you guys how to properly clean your wax machine. Okay, so whether you're an esthetician, cosmetologist, whatever it may be, I'm going to show you how I do it. And you may do it a different way and that's completely fine, but I want to show you guys what I use because it has been a lifesaver. I did close down my shop, but I still wax myself. I wax myself all the freaking time and I gotta make sure I keep this thing clean. So this to me right now is dirty. Like this is a dirty wax pot in my opinion. If you guys see something like this in a shop, well not like this because this wouldn't be like horrible, but I've seen some wax pots in shops that are just horrible and that's a sign. But to be honest with you guys, I've only been using this, you know, since I shut down my business. So clients have not seen it like this or anything because I don't have any more clients. It's just me. So I haven't really been on top of cleaning it, but I figured this was the perfect time to take my camera out and show y'all what I do. So the first thing you want to do when cleaning your wax machine, like I said, this is all in my opinion, is you want to turn them on. I turn on all of my wax machines because you want to get that wax nice and warm because it's going to warm up the wax that's over here as well. Okay, this is my favorite, absolute favorite product that I use to clean wax off of anything, whether it be a floor. I'm not really messy like that though, but if it were to hit a floor, I would use this to take it off. So if you do not have this, I'm gonna need you to get it, okay? So let me see if I can get it to focus. There you go. Okay, so this is how I do it. Y'all ready? I get a little paper towel. That's why I have this over here. I'm doing this with one hand. Just put some of this on there. Let me get my right hand. And then all you're gonna do, look how it comes right off. Now down here for some reason I gotta push a little bit harder. This works so well. I know some of you guys may be like, I can even turn this down. Well, I'm not gonna turn it down because I'm actually about to wax myself. But I wanted to clean it with y'all so that you guys can see how easy it can be, because I know that I've tried like the little oil that you can use to take wax off of the client's skin, and I mean it works, but it doesn't work well. Like you have to really like work your ass off to get all of that wax off. With this you don't. Like look how easy it's coming off. Look at this, just comes off. So that's something that I want all of you guys, if you guys are not an esthetician or cosmetologist, if you guys just have your own wax machine at home, it's very important that you guys keep it clean. I still even though I'm not working on clients, I still practice the same, I guess, cleanliness. I still practice the same cleanliness that I would as far as like double dipping is concerned with my wax pot. So even though this wax pot is mainly for me, like I'll wax my husband and stuff like that, and my sisters, like I'll do their eyebrows, but because it's for me, I don't double dip. You should never allow anybody to wax you that double dips. I've mentioned this in another video. Well, I don't even want to say this. So for example, you see this right here? I have like very little wax in there compared to this one. So this is probably, I could use this on one client and then just throw it out. In this case, I could double dip because I would just throw it away after. But I'm so like in the habit of not double dipping that I don't, you know. But I don't know. I just wanted to show y'all because it took forever for me to find, I need to put some more on here. It took forever for me to find a product that will work. Like look at this. This is so easy. Look at that. So yeah, and you can even use this like on the tops and all that stuff. So let me go ahead and do the tops because I do need 2 hands for this, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright you guys, so my wax pot is nice and clean now. I could get in there in that section. Honestly, I just didn't want to use my tongs to take this out and do that because I'm about to use the wax machine. But I mean, the same applies for in there as well. But if you guys stick around, I'm filming another video. I'm actually going to show you guys how I wax myself at home. And you know, the steps that I take and what I use and all that kind of stuff. So if you guys like these kind of videos, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I hope y'all like it. I will chat with y'all in a minute.